Don't know if you can see that, but that's an ant. Getting eaten by like water mosquitoes thingies, spiders. Look at him. You fucking bastard. So I am roughly maxed out on this account.
Really?
All I need to do is upgrade my town hall.
Okay.
So I'm good. I've only got attacked once, and I've been off for like 2 months from this account. I kind of
Really?
forgot about it. I made
Attacked once?
Yeah, someone reversed me once. I got 3-star. Why can't I collect my resources? Oh, okay. How much is this on that? 1.2 million. Okay. Let's see if I don't have any stuff over here. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Sorry for not being ready.
Hey.
In the next video, I might play cock again. Okay, let me end the video. Extra commentary. Reviews, right?
Okay.
It's still going.
It's still going?
It just didn't. Okay, it ended.
Finally.
It took forever, that's for damn sure.
Yeah. Go make sure you watch his account. Watch his channel, actually. He just got done playing cock.
Just sit there and stalk me. Don't even watch my videos.
God, stop. Go make sure you check out his channel.
Dude, I'm gonna throw a bird at you.
I'll put in a link. I didn't get it though. Go make sure you check out his channel. The link will be in the description. So
you don't know how to spell.
behold, the great white ape.
Oh, you're recording.
Yeah.
Big phone, big face.
Yeah, he has a humongous phone. Yeah, I'm sitting down here on a rock right now.
Hell, you are.
Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah. Here, you can sit down on it. Look how comfy that rock looks. It's fucking. But the bad thing is, if you turn too much that way, you'll basically fall to the back.
Unless you're a pro, like Jacoby Gaming, you should check it out.
Link in the description. Fuck. Just remember, link is in the description. Please go check out his. I personally want him to have more subscribers than me.
Only because I'm a better player than you.
No, because if you have more subscribers, then you can, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, you guys need to check out a different YouTuber. He's not unpopular. He's pretty popular. But his name's Benja. Keep it Guave.
What?
That's literally his name, man. You need to watch him.
You motherfucker, I'm cutting that out.
What?
I'm not supporting another YouTuber that I do not know.
Do not know.
Look at these rolls. Right now, we're in 98-degree weather right now.
It's hot.
Yeah, it is. It's freaking very hot. And we're out on our road, just randomly walking on a private road. What? There's wasps over here now? Aw. Yeah, this is our little, like, peaceful place, you know? We just hang out. This is where we usually go to meet. Up there, we come down that. Right there's the Y. There's another road going up there. And that's where his house is at. And down here's my house.
Trying to edit a video, boys.
Just go make sure you check that one out. What is it going to be called?
I don't even know.
I can't even see your TV screen.
Good.
TV
It's not
screen.
TV show.
TV screen.
Oh.
This is bad juking. I really did not want to show my face because I'm all sweaty. I am.
Sweaty.
Yeah.
Arms weak, knees are heavy.
Yeah, but just go make sure you check out his channel. Well, that was a nice one. I heard that.
What?
Bull crap.
I was walking and it made that noise.
Well.
I didn't fart.
Guilty. Oh.
If you can't tell, I'm a little stronger than John is, because he's a little puss boy.
Little.
Little.
I'm little.
Show the face cam, bro. See how he has to record me?
What the fuck are you doing?
Putting my nose against the camera, but you didn't let me.
I gotta zoom out. Okay, there we go. I was zoomed in. I was like, well.
Almost everyone.
But he has like a gaming channel. He doesn't do this stuff I do. Go check it out.
Good the second time.
You have a nice tail.
I want to watch this video again. Okay.
Yeah, literally this. Literally.
Trying to cut this part, but it won't let me.
Turn the camera upside. Oh no!
Trim.
I'm becoming a monkey.
How am I supposed to do this?
This is my tree, ass woman. I'm the one that found this spot.
Trim.
Well, you found this spot right here. I found this spot right here. Look at this tree. Perfectly just sit on that. Just, you know. There we go.
I don't know how to edit right now.
Dude, my dad's coming down. Coming down the road. Look up. Please just look up. Yes. Alright, that's a good way how to end a video. I'll see y'all guys in the next one. Peace.